What up, Chad? Bro, what's your address so I could send you my invoice for my PA account? Oh, I'm just messing around. I'm out. It blew my account. I'm out. I did lock in a max payout though with my funded futures, so I'm locked in $1,200. Bro, you're way early. You got some premature stimulation right now. Chad just said to go long, and I didn't have that much drawdown in a PA account because I fucked it up. I should have taken the money. I was going to take it up here at the imbalance, and I should have. It is what it is. You know what's crazy is I have to read up on this guy's script. Yo, what up, John? He uses this the CISDs, and what's crazy is like we came down and touched it on the 4-hour and then bounced. And I need to know what the significance of that is. I don't use them, but this guy's script has a lot of info on it, and I'm liking it. What up, Dell? Yo, Christopher's in here. John, what up, everybody? Just hanging. Yo, what up, DBT? DBT in the house. Yo, I just locked in a max payout with my funded futures. Get my $1,200 from them. Got that. I'm trying to work up some other ones. Yo, what up, B? Lord's in here. Jay Styles is in the house. What up? What up? Just freaking. Yo, I have it ready. I mean, it looks like we're flagging here, to be honest. Definitely flagging. What up, Luca? Luca's in the house. I think we're going to consolidate here, then we're going to push up. I ended up locking in. I forgot about this count, but I think I locked in day 3 for a payout. It's not much money. I need a bigger day, but we'll see what happens. It just seems like we're consolidating. I'm going to take that 350 if we get there. That means I'll be up 200 on the day. Bull flag, 5 minutes. Keith. Yep. Did I save that account? I did not, Kevin. But I did get a max payout with my funded futures. I locked that in. I was actually down $500. Remember I was saying how hard it is to get $100? And I ended up getting I ended up locking it in. I made back my $500 and I went 137 over. So I'm going to take out $1,200 from this today. Got to keep them payouts coming. $1,200 goes a while. Actually, that's my fourth day in a row with a payout. I got a payout on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and now Monday. So it's 4 days in a row with prop firm payouts. I know people always want to know and people ask. I got 1,700 on Wednesday, like 250 on Thursday, 2,074 on Friday, and now today is going to be 1,200. But the day's not over yet. I still have Take Profit Trader I can get a daily payout with. So we on a little bit of a roll here, guys. The Bumble? What up, beauty? But yeah, pretty good payouts since Wednesday. I know someone's going to ask me what I do before Wednesday. I don't actually know. I know I got a Top Step payout that hit my account on Tuesday. What'd you say? Not going to lie, lick it before you click it? Oh, when it clicks, it clicks. Okay. Yeah. No, you're right. When it clicks, it clicks. I've told you that, man. Once it clicks, you just kind of see things differently. It's like taking the blue pill, right? Isn't that what I said? It was like taking the blue pill. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Oh, that sucks, Robert.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, that was good because now I can pass this account on tomorrow with one day. And now this is 1 day locked in at 100. Dude, I got to find the freaking thing. Yo, you hit it. You hit it. Chad, that was a great fucking call.
700 billion and $1,300 billion.
That was a really good call, man. Oh, I thought it was 403. It wasn't 403? Oh. Uh-oh. Did I jinx it? Yo, what up, Logan? What up, what up? Yo, wake up, babe. Cove's dropping gems. Nah, but like when we talk at night, in like when we're playing poker and we're just shooting the shit online, like, you know, before I started making this stream, the only people I've talked to are people who are making money in the market. Like, I wasn't talking to anybody that wasn't making money in the market. Like, I wasn't teaching anybody anything. Like, all I knew was people who are profitable, who are either trading for a living or trading big money that a different style, like swing trading. So they're working, but they're swing trading at the same time. Like, that's all I knew. So when I started making this channel, you know, now I'm talking to most people who are not profitable. It's, you know, when we're talking at night and you're shooting this shit, like, you know, you start talking about things like that, like when you weren't profitable, and then all of a sudden, like, it just clicks and you completely see the indicators different, the market moves, like it's just a different feel once it clicks. And that's what we were talking about. Wiser than most. Why do I always have to take a, oh, geez, dude. Maybe that's good luck. Maybe it was good luck. Josh, you hit 1350. I'll even hit you one more time with it, my man. Dude, that was a crazy call.
700 billion and $1,300 billion.
I wish it happened here before getting my drawdown. If it just went up here, man, I would have been like
billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
lethal shooter. Yeah. My accountant couldn't withstand this drawdown. I should have moved my stop loss up, got out, and then maybe rebought. Dude, you're on fire today. I hope you're holding and cashing out. You know, definitely hope you're holding and cashing out. That's a nice day. That's a real nice day. Oh, I'm just trying to look. Billions and billions. Chad's been on fire, not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah. You need to walk it off. I know that feeling. I'm going to rearrange my tabs. I'm going to definitely rearrange my tabs. So we just swept the monthly open. Is that really, what do we have? One big hammer? Is that what we got here? One big hammer right now? Monthly open. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Dude, that's the monthly open right there, where it's this thin little line. Okay. Dude, that's crazy. Oh man. Yo, what up, Maria? Did you take it long? Did you take it long, Maria? Because I know we were talking about it. Chad was talking about it. I'm looking to see. Oh, Chad was talking about it for a while. I mean, I can't buy long at this point. I gotta go the other way. I'm looking to go long. Not long. I'm looking to go. I'd love a nice short. You're short 15 minis from where? From where, Maria? Yo, did you go 15 minis no stop loss? 15 minis no stop loss and get kicked off Top Step TV? The only way I'm shorting this is if we drop, come back and make a lower high. I want to see a pattern. Dude, we're right in the middle of the range. Look at this. We're right in the middle of the New York range. I knew that this was a buy. I bought this actually when we got back into this breaker block. Yo, if you get kicked off touchdown, you officially made it. Yo, that kid got kicked off. Remember that? Yo, I just grabbed a quick short. I think I'm gonna target this volume and balance. Let's see if they could I'm taking half off right there. Half off already. Come on, push it. Push it down. Push it down further. Push it down. Come on, I'm waiting for you right there. I'm waiting for you. Oh, touch. Oh, I don't know which one filled. All right, that was a good trade. 165 and 135. So that's $300. So that was a simple. I'll show you why I took this for everybody that's on the stream. You have this fair value gap right here. We basically invert it to the downside. Plus, I felt like if we lost 400, we would easily get 10 points down. But inverting this fair value gap to the downside was my moneymaker. That was it. $300. I'm out. Oh, Maria is going for the Maria. You got it short, and now you're getting it long. You are doing one of those trades. You're definitely doing one of those trades. I like it. So you went 15 minis down, and now you're only 3 micros up? Yo, what up, Double O? I like both sizes, no judging. No judging here. I just can't believe you went from 15 minis to 3 micros. Joe Dell's having a good day. Yo, if you hit that 15 minis, man, that's just crushed it. Yo, Dell, she's so lucky I'm married. You. I got to keep it like PG-13 on here, especially that's being recorded. See, so like there was a fair value gap on the way down right here. And now we inverted that. Stop would be 397 to the upside. Yo, Dell, it happens, man. It happens. Sometimes you're the hydrant, sometimes you're the dog. It's just part of the thing, you know? What's great about trading is you could be done with your workday in a minute or less. I'm checking, Keith. Oh, you're in a trade. It says unrealized P&L. What are you in a trade right now? Yo, Keith's up 851 in his personal account. Nice, Keith. Just keep building it. I will give you the clap. I'm not on the screen. I will give you the clap, though. Dude, takes a lot to I feel like you're crushing the personal without a doubt. I have not even looked at my personal today. I got to load it up. Yeah, I got to load my personal account up. Yo, what up, Deba? Deba in the house. What up, Ivan? Yo, how's your trading going today? Oof. Probably target VWAP, I'm guessing. Nice. Dude, get them payouts. I locked in my funded futures max payout during lunch, and that's 4 days in a row of payouts. So I'm just going to try to keep it rolling. Damn, you're up 2,300? It's a solid day. It's a real nice day. Just keep going. A lot of earnings this week. A lot of earnings. Wednesday, Thursday are 2 big earning days. It's going to get real. This week will determine where the market goes for the next couple of weeks. Because if the earnings are bad, dude, you don't even know. Did you guys see the new Temu thing? So you guys know Temu, right? Temu now charges you. I saw somebody bought a dress. It was like $24 for a dress. And then you had to pay like $35 tariff fee. I'm like, why are people buying on Temu if they got to pay a tariff fee that's more than the product? Like, that site is completely hosed. What up, Joyce? Matt Rad in the house. How's my day? Great. I just locked in a max payout, 4 days in a row of payouts. I'm feeling pretty good right now. I am feeling really good right now. Damn, look. It's about to touch VWAP. Yo, VWAP is... Oh, I'm shorting this, by the way. Touch it. Touch it. Just touch it. Just touch it for me. Just in case it doesn't come back up, I grabbed a... Yo, Mad Moxie. Yo, that's right. My Funded Futures has 20% off all resets this week. $20 off all the resets. You can reset 3 of them this week. 20% off My Funded Futures. You blew your 250s this morning. Huh. I hate those big accounts, but people love them, man. I never work out well with them. I've never used Iron Beam or Phillip Capital, Deba. I use Ninja Trader and I've used AMP and I've traded futures with E-Trade. What up, David? Yeah, X Blader. I like 50Ks. And if I go bigger, I go to 150s. 50s or 150s. Never in between, never really lower. Never really higher unless I accidentally got it. I feel like I'd pass better without the daily loss because I'll hold that shit. It'll be down $1,400-$1,500 and it comes back. Look at that. Came right down to basically the imbalance and bounce. These imbalances are fucking money. Money. I'm not holding this that long. This is gonna be a tight ass stop. It's kind of flagging here. I just want to come up, touch the bottom orb, and dump. Is that what that is? Yeah, that's the bottom orb. That's the bottom imbalance, actually. Or are they the same? No, that's the bottom imbalance. Boom, 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 boom. Are they not going to give me my, they're not going to touch it and then dump it? I guess this was the closest. If they let it go under 414, I'm taking this off because I'm less interested. What's up, Christopher? How what? Did I miss something? How? How back at you, Chris? Oh, just dump. All right, I'm taking this off. I'm going to go, I moved my stop down and got taken out, but $82. Not a bad trade. Yo, Chris. All good, man. When it comes to you, let me know. Are you on the devil's lettuce right now? Because I've been there, man. When you know that when you have a question and then you just can't think and you're like, oh, geez. Hitting the old bubbler. It's all good. We've all been there. Dude, when I was single, when I used to trade, man, oh man, as soon as the day was done, right before I fired up Call of Duty, that's what I wish I could do is go from this and then go play Call of Duty all day. 12:30. Yeah. Well, there's certain times people trade. Like they'll trade till 11 o'clock and then they won't trade again until 2 p.m. You know, they take the 3-hour window in the middle of the day off. What up, Discipline? What up? Yeah, that's why I like taking a break. To be honest with you, noon comes. I like getting lunch, take a shower sometimes, go for a walk, just take a breather. And then I come back. If I miss a move, I miss a move. But I take off like 45 minutes to an hour to just relax my eyeballs. Relax my eyeballs, relax my brain for a second. You know, all that stuff, man. Like, I can only take so much trading in a row. That's also, somebody asked me, what up, Fred? Somebody asked me why I don't stream all day. I'm like, dude, because my brain, sometimes I don't want to be talking to people and I just want to trade myself. You know, streaming is definitely, it's definitely a lot. Hour. Hey, Sean, did you hold that to 413? I didn't. I most definitely did not. Dude, I need a break from the weekend, man. This weekend was rough. I was on kids' sports. I had a whole bunch of crap going on this weekend. Well, you could still come back. You could still come back. Anyone going to take this? I'm going to take this if I can get it. I fucking just jumped it, but I wanted to hit the button when I was up $80, but that didn't work. That did not work. You went to the gym? Yeah, so you go to the gym and stuff. I go to the gym early, so I can't go to the gym. Oh man. Yo, I don't understand. I asked these people to call me back in 15 minutes and they can't call me back in 15 minutes. I think this might, I'm going to get in and I'm going to hold. Yo, what up, Pine? What up? What up? Yo, what up, LS? I'm trying to look at freaking 4. No, I'm going to get stopped out. Come on. Please, baby Jesus. Please. Please. Don't do me like this. Come on. Come on. Come back down. Nope. Yo, I swear that candle went over my order too. I'm not going to lie. I thought I think I just got stopped out. No fucking way did something go my way. What the absolute what? Dude, that candle definitely flashed over my order. Yo, if this drops and I go green, I'm going to replay that. I'm going to record that shit. If I go green, I'm recording that shit. I'll post that. I was definitely stopped out. Oh, dude, they're going to get me now. They're going to get me now. It's right at the end of the fair value gap on the hourly. There's an hourly fair value gap right here that ends at 38. If it inverts that, I mean, it's probably up for the day. It's going to keep going up. I'm literally looking at it right here, and I'm watching it. If it goes over 38, I think that's it. I probably don't even look for shorts anymore. Oh my God. Yo, I made the worst freaking cold brew before. Oh, it came sweetened. Yo, LS, you don't have to delete the message. It's cool. I mean, I see what it is, but you don't. It's all good. No one cares if you messed it up. You just schlonged 454. Maria, best of luck. I hope all goes well over there. You know, that sucks. See you later on or tomorrow. Hopefully you made money today. Actually, you went short 15 minis and then you went up. So you made money. You just made money. Yeah, she longed up. She shorted this and then longed it. So she got long at like 392. She's got to be up. Chad, you know what I like? Have you seen the China short videos with Tony? Somebody showed me one recently. Yeah. He's funny as hell. Funny as hell. He says some wild shit I can't say though. I can't, dude. The one that I saw, I couldn't repeat. I mean, he goes. The one that I saw was like, you know, dude. You know what's funny? I made the shorts. I started doing the shorts because I saw somebody else was doing shorts. It wasn't funny shorts. It was just shorts in general. And then I was like, I saw somebody do a reaction video. I was like, dude, that's hysterical. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to fucking do that here. And nobody was doing it. I looked, nobody was doing it. So I was like, cool. Now if someone does it, you know where it came from. You know where it came from. But yeah, I love doing them, man. I send them to my friends that aren't even trading. I'm like, yo, how funny is this shit? I smurfed when he said you guys. Yeah, like I can't be. You can't be doing that. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you know, he goes past what I could do on the internet. It's not like I'm sending it to my friends. I mean, there's fucking thousands of people watching this shit. Like, that literally hit the top of the fair value gap, and that's it. That's all she wrote. I'm getting in this and I'm going to hold. I want to pop. My stop's going to be 40. This is a hero or but yeah, I like to have fun, man. Some of the ones I made recently are freaking hysterical. The one where the girl's like, guys who fish really turn me on. And I'm like, Alexa, order me fishing gear. That one was good. The girl that asked if you like pancakes. Hell yeah, I like pancakes. Dude, I got some good shorts. If you guys that are listening haven't watched any of the short videos I made and you want to laugh, go to my channel and go to shorts and watch. You will fucking laugh. That's what they're there for. And I have fun doing them. Yeah. I got a lot of fun doing them. Joe, dump this. I might add a half. I might add. Come on. Yo, some guy is coming on fucking CNBC at what the fuck? Somebody just said brace. Wait. Oh, tomorrow at 2 p.m., some dude that's, I guess, negative the market is coming on CNBC at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Somebody remind me that. CNBC tomorrow, 2 p.m., some guy who's negative will probably catch a short off of it. I'm getting out of this. This isn't going fucking anywhere. I got out. This wasn't going anywhere, and it's kind of scooping up. Stochastics are starting to turn up. You got a pivot point at 447. Maybe we touch that and reject. The more we sit here, the more I like it to the upside because basically we're accepting price. Hello? Yeah, who's this?
Hey, how are you? This is Jader calling from Westbury Jeep. And we were speaking about the Wrangler here the other day. I just want to reach out to you again, see if you have any other questions that
No, I'm on a work call. Let me call you. You call me back in like 2 hours.
Okay.
Bro, I get fucking calls all the time. Yo, well, you know what it is? I went to the dealership to buy a Jeep this weekend, but I don't know anything about the Jeep models. So I was like, what's the difference between the Sport, the Sahara, the Rubicon? I don't know the difference, right? So I go into the dealership and ask. I'll show you what I'm buying. I don't give a shit if you guys see what I'm buying. I don't know exactly which one or what it is, but something like this. Something like that is what I'm looking for. Obviously, I'm going to negotiate down. I don't want to spend more than like 60 grand. Obviously, I'm financing it, but I don't want to spend more than 60,000 for a car. Why a Jeep? I'm on Long Island. We go to the beach a lot, and I drive on the beach. So over the summer with my kids, I'll probably drive on the beach probably like 10 to 15 times. So it's one of those things that it's more like I need something that will drive on sand, and at the same time would be like fun for my kids. You know, that's really why I wanted a Jeep. I don't really drive during the day. You know, as you know, I work from home. I'm here trading at home. I don't trade in our office or anything. So all I do is I drive to the gym and back. So I'm going to finance it because I'm only going to put like 4,000 miles on it a year. So, you know, if we come back under this imbalance, I'm going to take this. What am I driving now? I have my 2009 Tahoe that I've had forever, and I love the truck. And that's like my truck that I go to like Home Depot with and everything else. And that's like my truck. I go to all my sports stuff in the truck and things like that. And then like my family car that we go out with is like it's a BMW X7. And then we also have a Mazda. I don't even know what it is. Little Mazda small SUV that we bring the kids around to. The babysitter uses it, and we bring it to kids sports and shit like that and whatnot. This broke. Yeah, my Tahoe's been the best, man. I love that truck. That's been my truck. I drove in a blizzard up to upstate New York in that truck one time, and it was we had so much fun. I used to trailer my jet ski in it. That's why I bought it originally. I had jet skis, and I used to trailer them in my truck. I never looked at the bottom, but I've been told the whole bottom is rusted out because I used to bring it. You gotta submerge it to get the jet skis off, so all the salt water ruined the fucking bottom of it. Oh, come on. What's up, Janix? I mean, this is going for it. At this point, you're probably going to target 480 at this point. There just wasn't like a clear, like kind of V bottom. Like this was good, and then we sold off again. I would say that the buy point, the real good buy point, was probably this flag is probably where I would say was the best buy point. You know, you're not catching the bottom, you're up, you're kind of consolidating, and then you break. 380 was probably the buy spot. That's how I like stuff like that. Oh, yo, by the way, I back tested. Did I tell you guys I back tested the drift? Did I even go over that or no? Did I tell you guys about that? Maybe. Did I tell you guys about the drift model? Yo, I can't. Yo, I wish I had money for a Bentley. I mean, listen, if I wanted to buy a Bentley, obviously I have a trading account that I could take money out and buy a Bentley. Like, but why? Like, why? I would never do that. I'm not like that, to be honest. I'm fine with. I don't even want to spend $60,000 on a car, and my wife's like everything is at least anything new is like at least 50,000. There's like Hondas that are like 60,000. I was looking, I was like, man, all this shit's so expensive. I'm not even a car guy. Yeah, well, the BMW is for my wife. let's be real. My wife wanted the BMW. I would not have bought that car. Yo, what up, Methodical? Yo, Dr. T Trades. Yo, I saw you taking money out. That's nice. Yo, Insane Football. What up? What up? What up? Did you spend 40K on a RAV4? Yeah, I believe it. Freaking money. Everything's so much money. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I'm out on spending money on cars. Like, I'm just being honest with you. I'm so out on spending money on cars. I like putting money in my trading account, to be completely honest. Every week I try to put money in my trading account or my retirement account. That's kind of where I'm at. Dude, I'm trying, man. They called me up. They just called me up while I was on here. They freaking want my business. They want it bad. You know what's not selling in the Jeep world? Those Gladiators. Those Gladiators aren't selling. You could probably get a good deal. Yeah, Dell. Well, that's why I have my Tahoe, man. That thing was reliable. I still have it. Oh, the Gladiators? Yeah, they're gonna stop making them. People aren't buying them. You could probably get a crazy deal on a Gladiator. This is a risky ass fucking trade. I'll just take quick money. Just a quick back to the volume and balance to the 9 and just take a quick bounce off. Not like some massive trade setup. Yo, that's crazy that you say that. I found a Rubicon that was 10,000 off, and I contacted them, and they always call me when I'm busy. But yeah, I'm trying to get that Rubicon 10,000 off, but it seemed too good to be true. Way too good to be true. FX Wiz, what up? Yan's in here. What up, Vince? Who else is in here? Now I get to see everybody that's in here. Yo, Pips Puma's in here. Oh, Rosales is in here. Road to Success. Yo, I didn't even see you guys in here. Grizz T. Damn. Coach Fred. Now I get to see everybody. Brandon's in here. I don't know if I missed anybody. Yeah, what's up? Yo, I don't know that you're on the stream until you type in the chat. What up, Mike? Ivan Austin. Larry's in here. What up, Larry? Yeah, I can't see who's on the stream. Oh, I hope it is. Yo, if I missed you, my bad, Fred. I missed you. Yeah, I didn't realize that, CT. It's all the same truck. The only difference between the Sport and the Sahara is like leather seats, nav, and a dashboard and some trim. And then the Rubicon is the one that's different. It has all the extra suspension and whatnot. I'm probably going to take a short at the orb. Yeah. What up, Josh? Josh was in here. I got to go get water, though. I am freaking thirsty, and I have no water. I'll be right back, and I got to open up the front door. Hold on. Be right back. I'm back. Wait, did they not fucking film me? Oh, are you shitting me? Are you shitting me? Oh. What up, Mara? Dude, that's messed up. Bro. That's messed up. I'm out on that then. Yo. Wow. Oh, this is them again. Hello? Yeah, I'm on a call right now. Can I call you back? Dude, these guys are freaking. I'm seeing the market on X Games mode right now. Yo, I'm annoyed that they didn't film me short at the top. What is up with that? Oh. What is up? That sucks. That would have been some fucking points. Bro, that's the pest control company that just called me just now. I got a wasp problem outside. Yeah, I've never heard of the Helix. I don't know what that is. They have like another Jeep type thing. It's like Grenada or something like that. I don't know how. I forget what it's called. Kind of looks like the kind of looks like a G wagon. That's the best Toyota. Walter the Goat. What up, Goat? It's not common. Oh, Mythago, you know exactly what it is. I don't even know what it is. I know Toyotas are in high demand outside the U.S. Toyotas are like big demand, especially in like Mexico. You know, like Mexico, Toyotas are like big demand. I'm sure like if you go to like Africa also, like Toyotas are probably everywhere. Come on. Girth in numbers. Jeez. I appreciate it, Dell. Girth in numbers with a bunch of eagles. Bro, you don't have to. You definitely don't have to. I am out on this trade. That's $140 real quick. I should have went in 15 micros, sold 10, and kept 5 is what I should have done. That's what I should be doing here. But I want to. No, yo. Yo, we're a week away from the Diddy trial. About to get freaking wild up with sound clips up in here. Girth Nation. Yeah, the Toyota pickups are indestructible. Yeah. You can pass down to your grandkids. I'm rocking the Camry. I thought you had a truck, Methodical. I thought I saw a picture of you in a truck. You have 7 vehicles? I thought I had a lot. I got 4, right? 1. I have 4 vehicles. Yeah, I got 2 kids. You know what it is? I don't get rid of the old, like I have an older car I keep around and I don't know why. This is the spot. I'm going to go back in. I'm going to the well one more time here. One of those vehicles is a tour bus. Dude, once you have like 4 kids, you can only get so many you can only get so many freaking cars. Once you have 4 kids. Dude, this thing's just going for it. Yo, they were impounded? That's wild. What do we got here? Pull back to 79 and then through? Just in case I don't accidentally hit it. Oh, just hanging. Jaden, dude, that's a good day. That's a real good day. What up, Nathan? I can't believe we made back that whole dip. Just made it all back. As if nothing happened today. Freaking wild. Oh, no, dude. He's costing you some big wood right now. Tell him how much money he's costing you. What up, Jack? What up? What up? My portfolio has recovered. Dude, this thing's just going for it. Damn, Robert. That's a nice hold. That's a real nice hold. Billions and billions and billions and billions. I mean, we're going. Well, we're right at 500. Do not, this is an eval. Do not follow this. Do not follow this. This is a, I'm curious if we just blow through and it just starts going fucking parabolic here. And there's like no drawdown left in this account. So if we go like parabolic and I can get $900, that would help this account. Otherwise, this account's smoked. What? Sean. What up, Bodine? 543. I would take 543. See, my drawdown is tight. It's only $1,000. I might take this off, and I'm just kind of getting. Oh, are you kidding me? I was up $300 and end up with nothing. Yeah, I'm not trading a funded account up here. That's for shit sure. I am not trading a funded account. I mean, at this point, I mean, you definitely got. Oh, what was the back testing results for the drift? Yo, I did this 6 p.m. drift. And as long as there wasn't like a massive gap down, massive candle, I it went 5 for 5. And I had to stop. And then 9:30 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for 11. 9 for 11. You would have gotten, 5 points. I was just doing 5 points, 3 minis, because that's how I play. 5 points, 3 minis. So that's what I was looking for. And it worked. They worked like every fucking time. Wait, what'd you get? What happened? Oh, and then lost it all gambling? Yo. Trading ticks. Yeah, they keep buying it. You remember, you got a lot of earnings coming up on Wednesday and Thursday. So people are positioning for that. Definitely positioning for that. I wonder if they come back down to 84, retest the imbalance, retest the bottom orb, and then they bring it back up. That would actually be really nice. Methodical gambling. Yo, you guys playing poker tonight? Poker? I may or may not jump on for little cards. The GOAT. What up? It's like decompressing for me. It's just like I can just be like, I can just relax for just 2 seconds. Shoot the shit, decompress. You know, that's how I feel about it. I don't know. If you find a platform that we can do real money where like you can buy in with cash, let me know. I mean, I'll set it up, but I don't know of one that does real cash. Robert, it's exclamation point points. Unk, no, but if you haven't been around, you won't have enough points to enter. So it's up to you. It's kind of up to you. Evil Squirtsman. 497 rips it. Dude, I'll be honest with you. It looks like it's flagging here for another leg up. Kind of flagging above 500. See what happens. I don't know. I mean, the day is running out. There's only a half hour left, T-Trades. So you got to think in a half hour, are you going to get a dip and then rip? I don't know. I honestly don't have the answer to that. You're always one tweet away. My order book, I don't use order book. I don't use Bookmap or order book or anything like that. I'm just looking at where kind of flagging right here. Really, if we can break 515 to the upside, you'll probably go up to this volume imbalance. Oh, that eval had like no drawdown left. One of those. I got my orders in. Trump speaking at 4. What could go wrong? What could possibly go wrong if he's talking at 4? Dude, did that just happen? Alpha Sniper, what up? What's going on, Sam? He needs to say something nice about Canada or China. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get that. Come on. Buzzkill the nation? I think Russia did a ceasefire today, right? Until May 11th, or they're going to like the 7th through the 11th. Dude, if they clear up this other shit, the market will rip. Come on, this is garbage. Yo, what up, Andy? Come on. It has to make a move up here within this candle or the next candle. These are the candles that you want to see it go on. You don't want to see another failed you don't want to see another failed freaking go at. I'm out if I get another failed. I'm going to go back to break. I'm at break even right now. I just moved up a little bit. All right, that was $55. Come on. I want to see a pump. We're just not getting it. We're just not getting the pump. I don't want to see this trade below the 9 at this point. We go below the 9, I'm out. A flying one, Jesse? I don't know. I don't know. Come on. What up, Corey? Billy Joe's in the house. I don't think I'm just moving my stop up as we move up. That's it. What the fuck was that? Dude, what was that? What was that? Did they just stop every... Oh, my God. Did you see that? No way. Dude, they just stopped everyone out and they brought it all the way back up. That's dirty. That's dirty, dirty. Come on. I wouldn't trade this in a funded account. This is eval territory only, to be honest with you. Tomorrow at 2 p.m., someone's talking that's bearish on the market. So keep that in mind. We could probably play it. Oh, that's what happened? I mean, listen, what's this minerals deal? Is it going to happen soon, or what are we doing? I mean, this minerals deal came out of like nowhere. It's like a deal with Ukraine for the minerals or some shit like that. They've been talking about it for a while, but nothing's ever really come about. Then they had that whole press conference shit that went down that wasn't good. You know, we're supposed to be able to mine the minerals in Ukraine and whatnot, and I don't know. I mean, they got so much money over there, they can at least let us get some back. Yeah, Larry, I think this is going to be a turning point one way or the other. 20 minutes left. What up, Piano? I'm definitely going to try making a move. Just trying to make some money here, deciding on what I want to do. I think I know what I want to do. I think I'm pretty sure I know what I want to do here at the end. Just setting it all up. Dude, I am doing this. I learned my lesson. I learned my lesson the other day. Lead account is 146. Rich coal and iron for steelworks. That's what they want to mint. That's what they want to do. I mean, that's the least they could do for us, right? Oh, I was definitely late to the fucking party. I think they're going to work something out. I don't know what it is, but I feel like something's going to get worked out. I think that war is going to be done soon. I have a feeling the war is going to be done within the next 3 to 5 months. They're going to come to some type of agreement. I got a bad entry in this account, so I don't want to get my dick kicked in. So I'll probably end up taking gains sooner than later. I'm just looking for one more big push candle to like 29 maybe. I'll take that, 80 bucks. And let me take this off too. Made back some money. It's just a weird spot to get long. You know, you want to get long close to the 34, not so far away. Dude, my phone is off the hook today. Off the chain. How'd you guys end up doing today? You guys up, down, left, right? All right. I'm all set up here. I'm all set up. Got one more problem account to move up. From red to yo, what up, Dennis? Red to green. Nice. Road to success is up 600 bucks. Yo, what up, Carl? What up? What up? Miguel, I'm good. I locked in a max payout today with my funded futures. So that's 4 days in a row of payouts. I got paid out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and today. So I'm doing pretty good right now. Now, just got to focus here on the last little trading bit. And then that's pretty much it. Yeah, Road, it's nice. Payouts are nice too. I think since Wednesday, I've taken out, I don't know, it's getting up there close to 6,000, 5,500 since Wednesday. All you got to do is stick to your rules. If you have a strategy that makes you money, you just got to stick to the rules. It's nothing special. It's just sticking to the rules. You know, I'm not doing anything. I'm doing nothing that you can't do. It's all the same thing. You know, I ask questions. Ask questions in the chat. I'll answer you. You know, Why did you take that trade? Why'd you do this? Why'd you do that? Ask. I'm more than happy to explain. I mean, that's what this is all about. Come in the Discord. Ask questions in there. You know, the more you ask, the further or faster you're going to become profitable if you're not. Yo, what up, Josh? Are they not going to take me out here? Oh, baby. All right, time to get to work, boys. I'm going to take these gains though. I don't want to lose the account on something. If I had to guess, we're going to go up. Up is my guess. I mean, I don't know for a fact. Yeah, Josh, I don't know for a fact what way we're going. But we shall see, though. You know what I'm saying? We shall definitely see. I have no idea. I'm just going to see what happens. See what happens. You know, what could happen here, you know? I think if I had to guess, we would go up. Only because I think people are going to be buying for the earnings that are coming in on Wednesday and Thursday. I think that'd be my guess. You know, we kind of dipped today. They bought it back up. It just fits the narrative. Whatever happens there, happens there. I'm not even moving it. Just I don't know. This might flash down. Fucking getting nervous.
Order rejected.
Okay. I just finished day 2 of this funded account. Yo, $923 of this funded account. That's day 2. I just locked in another daily payout of $360 on top of the $1,200 from my funded futures. Come on. Yo, smash the like button. Smash the confetti if you took it and you made money. Just smash it. Just smash it. Just smash. Billions and billions and billions and billions.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning.
Well, the longer one.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yo. Bro, that's a nice hit. So when they take their fee out, I'm going to take $300 in here, $1,200 there. And day 2, I locked it in here. 3 more days of $150, and I'm taking out $1,750 in this account this week. The algo is definitely better than the opening, Walter. Yo, Dell. Yo, Mike got 20. Yo. That's how we do it. What up, Emil? So there's another play I'm going to do today. They call it the drift. I'm going to play it. I'm going to play it. It's an aftermarket trade. I'm going to play it for 5 points. And I'm going to play it in a funded account. Yo, Sean's pushing the envelope. Sean, are you down? Is that why you're pushing it? Dude, you're crazy. The drip? Oh, you're talking about the drip? No. Man, that was nice. Oh. How much money did everybody make on that?
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
What's up, Marie? Bro, it was clean. 400. Yo, Marie, you should have been around. Chad's been on fire all day. He said he was on fire all day to impress you. Bro, dude, 1K each. Slipped a little Diddy oil on that, Mike. Yeah. Tell you what, Chad, though, you called basically the day. I mean, you were there. Yo, now who pushes it to go further than... Dude, that was a 40-point candle. All right. So now I'm going to do the drift. What up, Oscar? I am going to do the drift. So the drift. The drift model is completely different. Where am I going with the drift? Sean, you get that? Yo, BK had to stop his drywall job to make $600 in 5 seconds. Bro, how awesome is that? I am not using any one of these accounts. Make sure I exit all. I'm not using any of these. All right. I'm going to drift with 236 as my lead account. And then I'm going to take some evals with it. 54. All right. Only because it's the first day I'm doing this. So, listen. I am less confident in this. We'll say that. I am less confident in this. You basically are taking the orb break of the first 2 minutes of the 4 o'clock, after it closes at 4 o'clock candle. Yeah, it's not a flash. Yes, Dr. T. But I'm not holding for 20 points. I'm getting 5 points with three minis. This trade is more of like, you know, you got to take her out to dinner. You got to wine and dine. You know, do you want to come back to my place for some tea? You know, this isn't the 350 Tinder date when you're like, yo, I'll meet you at the motel and you're just doing it. It finesses a little bit. Goes in Tokyo, Nasdaq. Yo. I own now. My lead account is always a take profit trader account going forward. So if there's any issues, at least I hit the withdraw. No, not Tokyo Drift. Definitely not Tokyo Drift. And then we'll give an away account later on. 420, we do the account giveaway. I've never done this trade before, so don't no one follow. It's not financial advice. It's nothing. It's just what I'm doing. Hello? I know. I'm on a work thing. I'll be free at 4:45. Bye. Thank you. Bro, they want that commission. So guys, what up, full-time trading? Yo, if you guys want to talk all these types of trades that I take, we talk about it every single day in the Discord. We talk about it at night mostly, and we back test and all that stuff. So if you want, come in the Discord. It's free, and that's where we talk about all these trades. The 6 p.m. opening trade, the MOC trade, the end of day trades. It all happens in the Discord. So it's free. I'm not selling you a course or anything. It's all free. What up, Aramis? So if you want, come by, hang out with us. We also play poker at night. It's it's a good time. All the guys, we have fun. So I'm just throwing it out there because a lot of people have questions about this stuff. It's a good time to ask. I got a work thing like that last Tinder date. Yo, free money gems are just sitting in the Discord. They really are. Yo. I don't want this to close right here, though. I'd like it to close like right here. I don't want it to close at the bottom of the range. I definitely don't like that this is at 500 either. I do not like that this is at 500, just an FYI. I knew I shouldn't have taken this. It was at 500. Just throwing it out there. This had being a shit one all written all over it. I probably would put some rules into play, even if I make money on this, right? I'm probably going to put some rules into play that I would not take this trade if we were right at like a whole number. I probably wouldn't take this trade if we were at a whole number. And if stochastics are under 20, I probably wouldn't take this trade to the downside. Like I'd only be looking upside. There's definitely some rules in place here that I would do. I should just take my money here, to be honest with you. I probably am. I took my money. So, I mean, it was a good trade. I obviously made money on it, made $135 in the PA account. But there's certain things I didn't like about it. One being, I didn't like that the bottom of the orb was at 500 because a lot of times you sweep below and then they'll come right back. I didn't like how low we are on the stochastics. Like stochastics were way oversold on the 1 minute. All seriousness, it's a win. It was a winning trade. Look, winning trade. It won. It just went as low as 92. I would have gotten filled. I was going for 5 points. So I got in at 98. 93, I would have been out. I would have been out right here on this wick down. Yeah, BK. I mean, that's all I'm looking for is 5 points. I think how's this sound? Oh, the top of this range is all the way up here. Grizz T, 10 points. You just got to hang out in the chat. If you're, I'll be honest with you, if you're just coming in to join the free race, it's going to take you forever to get points. But if you hang out and be part of the community, you'll probably get 10 points really quick. Here you go, Garen. You know, the idea of the giveaway is for people that hang out on the chat. If you just come in for that one thing, Streamlabs makes it so it's going to be real hard for you to join. You know, plus we're calling out the market. All Chad called out great plays today. It does not, DBT. The consistency rule always stays there. Where's premium on the chart? I don't even have it. Are you talking about on the 1 minute? Go. What script are you looking at for premium? Why don't I have it on my chart? Dude, my chart doesn't. Well, maybe it's a different time frame. Let me go to the 5. Oh yeah, look, I'm in the 5 minute. Cove Money Concepts, baby. Yo, I should start fucking putting that in my thing. Cove Money Concepts. I didn't know if you were using a script on TradingView. Like, I have it up here right now. Premium PD array. Well, Chet, just keep working it up, man. Freaky value gaps. Yo. Smart Cove Concepts. Yo. I'll tell you what, though. That aftermarket drift is interesting. That aftermarket drift, the problem is it's a slower trade, so you definitely get worried. But it paid. It just paid. Yeah, Fred. We hit it. It hit 5 points, 3 minis. I took it off early, personally. I didn't like where we were on the chart, but it would have hit. Yeah. Yo, consistency denial stays there. All the other stuff goes away. Man, that was yeah. I probably wouldn't do it there then. Honestly, X Blader, that's why I tell everybody to go use Take Profit Trader. First of all, there's no rules. You could trade till 4:59. And you got daily withdrawals. So, like, argument's sake, today I hit this for 360. I'm going to take out $300 today from this account. After they take their fee, $300 is going in my pocket. And every day I take money out. So, like, that money covers. I already took money out of this account already, but now, like, I'm in the green for more accounts or however I want to do it. I was thinking I could go heavy to get past the buffer. I guess not. Yo, what buffer, DBT? Yo, were you on for the end of the day? We smashed, dude. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is my favorite account out of all of them. Oh, you're on
The market is closed.
So just throwing it out there, DBT, you can't trade that MOC trade. You can't do it with Apex. I've said it before. If you have an Apex funded account, you can't take the MOC trade. You can only do it in accounts that don't have rules. You know, I've said that before on the stream. Like, you can't follow the MOC trade with Apex. You got to use, like, Take Profit Trader. Sean, yo, did you pass those accounts then, Sean? I'm guessing you passed them. I always do it in a Take Profit Trader account. It's the end of day trade. If you want, I'll go over it in Discord. Yeah, I mean, once you're over the buffer, there's no more trailing drawdown. Like, look, my drawdown's $2,360. I'm trailing drawdown's done. I mean, you're getting a little bear flag here. I wonder if it goes lower. I'm not taking this. This Tradeify account was down money. What did I make on that anyways? Let's just. I made $1,620. My account was down $600 or 5 something. I made it all back plus 923 end of day. Three more days of $150 and I could take out max payout again. I'm going to get ducked in the Jeep. What, in like a parking lot? In the back parking lot with the wife? Dude, that was the deal when we got the Beamer. How many funded accounts am I trading? I don't know, 22 accounts. 22 accounts, 23 accounts, something like that. Yeah, but you can't trade Apex the way I do on some of the trades full time. You can't do some of the trades. I've never seen. I don't know what you're talking about. No idea. You get ducked. I don't even know what that is. I gotta look. Yeah, but Apex sent me an email about some of my trading, and you're not allowed to take opening range trades in Apex. You can't do the MOC trade in Apex. You can't do anything where you do a bracket. You can't do news YOLOs in Apex. Apex has a lot of rules that you don't even know about. And they sent me an email. You can do them in an eval, but you can't do them in a funded account. Yeah, just keep growing them. Just keep growing them. I mean, the reason I have so many accounts, I don't know. Each one serves its own purpose. But I'm getting payouts every day. So, like, the last 4 days in a row, I've gotten payouts. So I can't complain. It's look at this trade. This drip trade worked. You basically got in at 499. The person who I saw it from said they get 20 points. I'm like, fuck that. I'm not going for 20 points. I was going for 5. I didn't even let it get 5. I got 2.5 points. I was definitely scared. I was scared because we were right at 500. But you know what? Your boy is taking out 300 for there and 1,200 over there. So it is what it is. Yeah, I like trading different firms because I can move. You're talking about the Mac Daddy. You're talking about the drift trade. So basically, I'm taking the last 2 minutes of the end of the day, which is this 4 p.m. candle and the next. And basically, you have an orb, right? It's kind of an opening range. So you got the bottom of this candle and the top of this candle, right? When it breaks below this or above that, you go long or short, and you're looking to get 5 points at least. Yo, Paul Moses. Wow. Bro, take the money out. You can take money out today. Somebody just reported earnings. Yeah. So, and then you're basically just playing the break. The idea of it is no matter whatever way it goes, it kind of just drifts that way after hours. It's either going to drift lower or it's going to drift higher by at least 5 points. You could probably get more. But listen, if I know that this trade works, I'm good with $300 on it every day. That's all I'm looking for is $300. All these little trades that we talk about are talked about in the Discord. So if you guys want to really learn like cool shit, like little, there's another drift at 6 p.m. If you're around, you could take the 6 p.m. drift also. But, you know, there's like 3 or 4 trades a day that you can take that have high probability of hitting without anything else. Like without trading, you know, breakouts or flags or anything. There's like 4, I don't want to call them gimmick trades, but there's like 4 gimmick trades that you could take a day that you could make more money than doing any of it. They're just solid trades. That's the best way to put it. You know? Yeah, I heard about that, Jay Fiska. I didn't know you're in Spain. Couldn't you? I don't know, Scotsman. How does Apex know you're taking brackets? When you place the orders, the order gets placed in there, and then they cancel, so they see that the order is placed. Believe me, I got an email. They fucking know the orders are placed. How do they work? I don't know why they work. It's just how the market works. They all work. We talk about it like every night in the Discord. We talk about it. I want to say it's just I suggest coming in and hanging out. That's the best way to go about it. India and Pakistan about to go to war? Dude, that's crazy. I'm sure people know. I'm just sure that I don't know if it's a big deal. Like, I don't know what the deal is. I just know it works. Yeah, full time. I'll explain it in the Discord. I just think that's a better spot to explain it in. You know why? All of a sudden, all these other people start copying the same shit, and then they get rid of us doing it. you know, all of a sudden you see all these other guys doing it online and telling you about it. And I'm just trying to avoid that happening as long as I can. That's pretty much it. I've taken accounts from nothing, just brand new eval to pass eval to funded to payouts, all by doing just one trade a day in a special trade. Like I've proved the model works. You know, I'm not saying I came up with it, but it's talked about in the chat, and we kind of implement it with our own rules, and it works. All right, guys, I'm gonna run the old ducks. Quack quack, baby. Bro, Dell's having an awesome day. Dell's having an awesome day. All right, we're going to run the ducks. Yo, it's the Cove. It's Cove Concepts. No, it's not. I can't take credit for it. CT brought up a lot. Brought it up to my attention. And we just kind of moved on it to you know, just kind of built on it, I guess. You know, and then, you know, seen it, changed some rules. You know, I don't need 30, 40 points. If you have 3 minis, you're good with $300 and you're out. You know, you don't need more. All right. So we're going to run this. Let me see what we got here. All right. This is everybody in the morning. Before I get into this, if you're new, we stream live every day, 10:30 till noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. Subscribe below, and you have to hit the little bell icon to get notified. Otherwise, you may not get notified if I go live. Also, if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows me to do all these account giveaways. So if you like free accounts, use the code below. All right, this is the morning. The morning winner will play the afternoon stream winner. It's got to be a different winner for both. Quack, quack, baby. Did you say Chat GPT? Yo, you getting a payout? Dell, how close are you to a payout? Just remember, dude, at the end of the day, you're the one that's hitting the button. I'm not hitting the button for you. Quack. 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 Come on. Dude. Quack. Quack. Dude, it's going to be Yan. Look at Yan. Oh, a little space helmet. Yo, is Yan here? Yo, Yan, are you here? Yo, I got your matching space helmet. Okay. Let me fix this. Yo, that's when we're going to the moon. Yo, you've never gone to the moon unless you got the freaking helmet on, right? Can only go to the moon with the helmet. All right, you ready? So Yan's going to race. Let's see who we got. Oh, man. Yo, the Blue Origin light. I wish. Go up into space. Yo, can you go to the moon with weed? Yo, I feel like I've been to the moon a couple times, D-Ba. Definitely feel like I've been to the moon. Woo! Flip pushed. Flip. Oh, they did you dirty. DBT is moving up. Yo, DBT is moving up. Oh, shit. Yo. Are you in here? You got 2 minutes to claim it. You in here? 428. Yo, is he in here? He's got to claim it. He don't claim it, we're going to run it again. Oh, he's in here. All right. It's DBT versus Yan. DBT versus Yan. That's the closest you've ever been? Yo, it's so funny. If you watch my reel, I said that I wanted Alexa get me fishing gear, and now there's an ad for fishing gear at the bottom, all because of my short. That's funny. Uh-oh, Yan, you got it, Yan. Yan's pulling away. Woo-hoo! DBT in the house. DBT. Yo. Shoot me an email. I was cheering for Island Boy. Yo. Now's a good time to ask any questions about trading, anything, prop firms, strategies, anything. If you got questions about prop firms, that will probably help you out. Remember, it's 20% off all eval resets at My Funded Futures. If you guys didn't know that. I don't know. I tried using Bookmap, Matt. I didn't like it. There's too many spoofing of orders where you'll see a big order come up and then it'll just be gone. I don't trust it. It just wasn't for me. Yeah, Bookmap wasn't for me. I tried footprint charts, didn't like them. Honestly, depending on how you play, like if you like playing longs, like longer holds, the best strategy that I found is inverting fair value gaps. Where like we're coming down, 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 and then we invert a fair value gap to the upside. That's been for like longer holds. I like that. Hell yeah, I like pancakes. Yo. What up, BK? All right, I'll see you later tonight. Yeah. If you guys were looking to hang out at after hours or at questions, that's the link to the Discord. But I like inverting fair value gaps. I like 3-bar reversals on the 5. So you go to the 5-minute. The only one that happened today was right down here. It actually invalidated. I did not take this. The reason I didn't take this, I forget in the moment why I didn't take this, to be honest with you. But typically, you wait till it confirms. So you're looking for a close over 322, and that kind of confirms it. So that's why there's that blue dot right here. That's confirmation, and then you would have got points, but and then it came back down. But there really wasn't any 3 bars today. Yeah, really wasn't any 3 bars today. I don't know. Today was kind of a weird day. What time does Discord chat start? We're always in there, but usually picks up around 6 o'clock or so. Later, Deba. I like to YOLO full ports for the Lambos. Definitely for the Lambos. Yo, what up, Flipper? With options, you could trade options. I trade options. Here's my options account today. I'm up $1,273 today in options. Yo, later, CT. Yo, later, J Styles. Yeah, I make a good amount of money on options. Yo, full port for the hookers. Jeez. Oh, my wrist. But yeah, I mean, today started off not great and ended pretty good. Getting 2 payouts today. Locked it in. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I got to go coach baseball today. So if you guys don't have any questions, if you want to learn more about the drift strategy, the 6 p.m. strategy, the 4 p.m. strategy, the 350 strategy, go over to the Discord. We can talk about it then. There's also a voice chat in there. I'm also addicted to hilarious rants. But we talk about all different things in the market that are interesting that you could definitely just make money on. That's pretty much it. And then we back test, and then we'll play poker, hang out. Poker's free. Shoot the shit on. There's a voice chat on the left side. You scroll down. It's called General. There's a voice chat. Some guys are in there. You don't have to put on your mic. You don't have to talk, but you can listen. And that's pretty much it. Nothing else. If you want to support the stream, use the code below. I'm getting out. I got to go coach baseball. I will talk to you guys tomorrow at 10:30, or I'll see you in the Discord tonight. Peace.